Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Preeti and I'm back with another eye makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I created this half cut crease eye look. I'm going to start off this look by applying pink eyeshadow and I'm slowly going to build this up. I'm going to blend the eyeshadow smoothly with help of a fluffy brush. Now I'm going to carve out the cut with the concealer. Now I'm going to apply white eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to apply white kajal on my waterline and I'm going to smoke it out with the pink eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to apply eyeliner. And lastly, I'm going to apply glitter. So this will be our final look. I hope you guys like this eye makeup. Comment down your thoughts about this look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.